So you can see we went a little bit ham on all of our food. Okay, so this guy is the build your own headband. Did you say no at all? Morning.
Morning.
Happy
4th of July.
It's Independence Day. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. We are coming to you live from the car, and we are en route to the Coronado. Now, as many as you guys know, our in-laws, my in-laws, are staying at the Coronado. This morning, we woke up. Let me tell you something.
We're tired.
We originally had plans to go to the park. We were going to be going to Epcot and going on a full, like, okay, we're getting there at 7:30 in the morning. Let's go. We're going to get the virtual queue for Guardians.
Didn't happen.
Didn't happen. We are going to have a fun-filled pool day. I'm so excited. We're just going to relax and chill at the pool. We have more of our family coming in this afternoon, so we're going to be seeing our goddaughters, which I'm super excited about. But we're just going to go to Coronado. We're going to have ourselves a day. Maybe go to dinner at Disney Springs later. We're not really sure, but just going to be a chill day. All right, just to give you guys a fit check, he's got the Disney Cruise Line swim shirt. I have the Alani swim shirt. I've got my red bathing suit underneath here, and then we have a change of clothes in the back for later. We will catch you guys while we eat breakfast.
Boom.
In the days that I can't see, the forest for the trees, in the hours I spend alone, searching for my...
We made it. The vlog today is going to be a little low energy. We're gonna vlog as much as we can without being brain dead, so let's go get some food.
I will survive. I will find a lifeline. I will survive. And you'll beg.
All right, so you can see we went a little bit ham on all of our food. We ended up getting 2 orders of Mickey waffles. I got mine with the sausage. I have an egg sensitivity, so I couldn't eat anything like the empanadas or the Fiesta Bowl. That's what Jake got right at the top right hand. And then this guy is just a nice side of bacon. I would like to note that all of this, including Jake's resort refillable mug, was $64. $64, so. Surprise, I went to the cafe and I'm surprising him with a donut.
As a surprise.
That surprised me with pick something. Did you pick that?
Diabetes donut.
Well,
It's okay.
oh. All right, we are done with breakfast. We just made it to the pool. I have not seen this pool in at least a few years. Let me show you. This pool is super fun. It's actually pretty large, and I love that they have the water that's spitting out of that kind of Mayan temple. And then look at that giant kind of waterfall. You can't go down it. It's not like Atlantis. But if you go to the right here, you'll see that there's actually a water slide that you can go down as well. And I think these are gonna be our seats. We're gonna be right up front, get some sun. Bathing suit, we got this Victoria's Secret red situation going on. It's very comfortable. Now we just get to relax and I get to dive into this bad boy. Jake's about to come down the slide. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hi, honey. Was it fun?
Yeah, it's fun.
Is it fast?
Wasn't bad.
No? Okay, so we just spent some time in the pool. We went ahead and did like the beach volleyball in there, which was super cute. And now we're gonna go down the slide. I'm hoping that my phone is a little bit waterproof, because if not, it's about to get really expensive really quick. Go down as a family.
Let's go. Oh,
gonna be
we're all good at the same time.
Great. No.
In a chain.
Can you take your phone?
Whee! Yeah. All right. We're ready to walk and roll. forward. Oh no! Okay, Jake's about to come down. Oh God. Big splash, baby. It's pool time. It's pool time.
On bar.
I love that slide. That's so fun. It was so good. I loved it. It's hot.
Very hot.
It's about 1:30. We've been here since 10 a.m. so you guys can only imagine. I think I got a good bit of sun situation going on in there, which is what we're looking for.
I'm pale, so I'm wearing the shirt.
You got white feet too. I won't show your feet though, not for free at least. We had a big old breakfast, so I'm not super hungry, but I think we're gonna start to pack up. We're gonna go home, feed Bubba, take him out, and then we're gonna get showered, dressed, and changed because we're gonna come back here, but not to Coronado. We're gonna go to Disney Springs, and I think grab some dinner with the rest of the family. So,
Sounds like a plan.
ready to go?
Let's do it.
Uber? Uber for Loco?
What a day.
What a day. I got a lot of sun.
I think my forehead got burnt, but I can't tell.
Yeah, I definitely got a little crispiness going on, but that's okay. I'm gonna look super tan when we're in Europe, so no spray and tan needed. Okay, we made it back home, showered. I got a lot more red than I thought I did, and I used sunscreen. Thank God my tattoos were covered, either in the pool or I used like the sun shirt, but yeah, that's what we got going on. Got red too.
Yeah.
You did, look at your face. Okay, so for outfit, you can see here, I got like a little country bumpkin vibe going on. I feel like it's very 4th of July. I was thinking about wearing my ears, which I feel like this is very 4th of July, but I don't know if I want to wear ears. So I'll take them, but I might not wear them. You feel me? All right, the 4th fit. I'm loving the shirt,
Love this shirt.
loving the hat, loving the tat. You're just
all forced out.
You're just America. I just did a quick blow dry of my hair, so we're just gonna ignore that. I put the smallest bit of foundation on with like blush and whatnot, but I actually mixed it with my sunscreen because my face is real toasty under here. So I brought my ears. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them. Should I wear them?
Why not?
Why not?
In the well I dug myself, 'cause I felt
And we made it! I can't not wear the ears. Like the red, white, and I can't not wear them. That would be un-American. So mom and dad are already here, and they said they're at the hangar bar, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take the escalator, hop on over.
but the help is on its way, way too late. I will survive. I will find a lifeline.
I want to get the outfit. You got the shoes, you got the shirt, you got it all on. Okay, now I'm excited because what we were gonna do yesterday, we're doing today. We are gonna stop and get the viral build your own headband Mickey ears. So we're gonna get a little creative, popping over there right now. Okay, so this guy is the build your own headband. So first things first, you pick a headband, then you choose all your characters, and then you officially attach them. It looks like as of right now, there's a limit 2 per guest, so we're gonna go ahead and get 1. We get to decide exactly what type of characters we want. You take them and you attach them.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
3's
See, I
funny.
like those colors.
Look, yeah. That's really cute.
I like this.
Yeah.
I like that too. So I think what we're gonna do is just a Pixar-inspired headband, and if I ever want to come back and get some more, I can, and then they're just Velcro, so they attach really easily. We got it! So for anybody wondering, with the headband and the 3 little characters attached, with our Disney annual pass, it turned out to be $39 and I think 99 cents. Is it the cheapest pair of ears in the world? No. However, you pay almost the same amount, if not a little bit more, for Loungefly ears, and these guys are cute because they're customizable.
What was Johnny?
Okay, ears are off because I have a headache. We made our way to Splitsville and we probably got the best table like in the whole house. We have this little private area right here, which is super nice. They have the game on right now, so if we want to watch, we totally can. And literally to our left, they have the giant Splitsville sign, which is super cool. In case anyone is wondering, this is a quick overview of the menu. If you guys want a screenshot, you are more than welcome. On the back is all of your different drinks you guys can get, cocktails, beer, wine, the whole thing. We just beat that super ominous cloud, so we're gonna be in here for a while. I'm gonna throw up. That meal was super filling, and it was so nice because as a family, we just kind of got to pick off everyone's plate. The pizza, fantastic, way more than I thought it would be. Always the salads here are fantastic, but the thing you want to get is the sushi. I ended up getting the California Crunch. I did it without avocado and without cucumber, but even that flavor was on a freaking 10, and it's very, very filling, which sushi sometimes isn't. Now what we're gonna do is the kids wanted to go ahead and bowl, so Jake is getting spots for everybody. I am not gonna be bowling, but I'm gonna watch with moral support. If I was to bowl, I would need the bumpers. For my self-respect. My dignity would be gone, but my self-respect is very much intact. Did you do? Did you do so good?
Guess how many pins I got?
25. That's crazy.
That's how you need to throw it.
The sibling rivalry.
Well, Mike's got a miss.
That's pretty simple. Mike has to miss. Yeah.
How about that? That's a nail biter right there. Bowling.
We each won one game,
Okay.
so
How are you feeling?
my arm's sore.
And as you can see, we're finishing off the night with a sweet treat. It does not get sweeter than this, folks. Look at Dia! Look at Dia!
That's a thick bear.
It's a thick bear. You're holding 2.
Holding 2.
Best M&Ms are the minis and the pretzel. I don't make the rules. What'd you get? Show me. You got the mini? Oh, that's cute. And then you got the heart. They even have golf balls and M&Ms, swag and bags and pillows. My God. It's your bag, Cakes.
That was underwear.
Look at your bag. Look at all of those stuff. Did you say no at all? What those girls want, those girls will get. Okay, Alrighty, well that about sums up our 4th of July weekend.
We're calling it a night a little early.
Yeah,
tired.
it was a long day, pool, sun, the entire thing. I love spending time with our family. You guys actually got to see our goddaughters. I love them deeply. They are so flipping cute. Just had some good family time, but I hope you guys enjoyed this very long vlog. If you guys like the extended vlog content, please comment down below, let us know. I hope you guys are having the best day wherever you're watching this. Be kind to yourself and
Stay loco.
bye.